Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain a typical problem in EPSON L6170 printer giving poor output. The output is like this. See here, the color is not coming properly. Almost the black is not coming. So I am going to give one printout. We will check now, right? How which is going to come, right? In my laptop, I am going to give the printout. I am going to click the start devices and printers, which is taking me to devices and printers. In this, I am going to give the printout from EPSON. Click right button, go to the printer properties, give the test page, print test page. So I have given test page. See, the printer is getting activated. Yeah, which is taken paper, which is giving printout. But I am getting only poor output. I am getting only poor output. How to solve this issue? This is the thing. Here we are going to see how to solve this issue. There are two methods to solve this issue. One is simple method, another one is strong method. In the simple method, the ink wastage will be very, very less. Strong method, the ink wastage will be very, very more. When you want to apply the strong method, you have to maintain at least half tank ink in your printer. So in this, I am going to select the maintenance option. In this printer, the display screen is available. Here, using this arrow, right arrow, left arrow, top arrow, and bottom arrow, I am going to click this right arrow. See, in this maintenance, I am going to select. So clicking OK, I am going to select this maintenance. So maintenance, you are getting the three options: print head nozzle checkup, print head cleaning, power cleaning. In this, I am going to use print head cleaning. In this, I am going to use print head cleaning. If I try 3 or 4 times, surely the problem will get solved. Even if it not gets solved, I have to go for power cleaning method. After selecting this print head cleaning, I have to click this OK. OK. So click, which is displaying clean the print head to correct missing dots. Missing dot means missing letters, missing dot, all these things. So in this, I am going to select the start. To select the start, the option is this, that is yellow and brown color border is there. That means which has selected. After that, I am going to click this OK button. After selecting the OK button, which is cleaning, do not turn the printer off until complete. This take about 3 minutes. I think they have displayed, which will take 3 minutes. Within this 3 minutes, the problem surely will get solved. Otherwise, we have to go for further step. I have to see, at least you have to apply this method 3 to 4 times, which is cleaning. So some other printers like L380, L360, L210, L3110, 3250, 3150, these printers and all, you have to do this operation through your laptop or desktop only. But in this printer is having option in display screen itself, and which is built-in function in the printer, So we can use this built-in function and rectify the problem, right? So which is cleaning, so that the power light is getting blink. If the power on button light is getting blink, means the processing is going on. When the LED is getting still, that means the processing got complete. You can try to give a test page, or you can take Xerox. Either you can give test page through the laptop or desktop, or otherwise you can take any page. You have to keep the any matter on the scanner unit. scanner unit, you can take the Xerox. So if you get the good Xerox, then you have to stop the process, cleaning process. You have to stop the cleaning process. Otherwise, you have to continue. Up to 3 to 4 times only you have to apply this method. Because in this method also it will consume the ink. See, whenever which is dry ink, it will suck the ink and pour into the waste ink pad unit. It will go and pour the ink. So generally the cleaning process will consume ink. But in power cleaning will consume more ink. The power cleaning will consume more ink. So now which is going to complete. Then after that I am going to give one printout. We will check that is there any improvement or not. They are going to get complete. Yeah. So now which is saying print head cleaning complete. Perform nozzle check to see if the print head requires cleaning. So we will select the nozzle check. Check option is under selection. Then I am going to click OK button. Now which is going to take the paper from my paper tray. So which is asking print, I am going to give OK. Yeah, which has taken paper and trying to give the printout. We will check the printout. Whether we need furthermore, I think almost okay, I think so. Yes, completely perfect. See, this is completely perfect. See here, all colors are black. The black is having perfect, yellow is perfect, pink is perfect, that is magenta is perfect, cyan is perfect, that is blue is perfect, and black also perfect. Anyway, I am going to give one printout through the laptop. See, I am going to print the print test page. Yeah, see, which is trying to take the paper, picking the paper. Yeah, picked up the paper. Now which is giving the printout. Yeah, I am getting the correct output. This is the correct output I am getting. Okay. So in this a single step itself, the problem got solved. The single step itself, the problem got solved. If you are not getting the correct output, the letters and all not in a correct shape and size, you have to do one more cleaning. Second cleaning, you will get little bit improvement. Then if you are any small problem, you can try third. After completing third, you will get a perfect result. If you are not getting the perfect result, you have to go for fourth. Even if you try the fourth, if you take the printout, you are not getting satisfied, means you have to go for a power cleaning. See, now they are asking, see, check the print head pattern and select the close result. Yeah. So here we are getting the correct result. Then click the OK. Right. That's all. So here you are getting three options. Print head nozzle check. This is the print head nozzle check. Right. If nozzle check itself, you are getting the good result. But second one is print head cleaning. See, print head cleaning only, which has given the nozzle check pattern, which is correct only. After that, we have given one printout, which also correct. So even if you are not, if you applied 4 times, you are not getting correct output, means you have to go for power cleaning. See, very important one thing you have to understand in your mind, or you have to keep in your mind. In the ink tank level, at least you should have half of the ink tank. Half of the ink tank you should have. Then only you have to try, because will consume more ink. Take the ink, that is suck the ink and pour into the waste ink pad unit. So you should be very careful. You should be very aware. You should be very careful, and you should be very aware. You have to maintain all black, cyan, magenta, yellow. These 4 inks you should have half tank of the you have to maintain. Then only you have to apply this power cleaning. See, the power cleaning you should not give every day. See, at least 6 months once you have to give. Then only, see, if you are regular user, no problem you will face. If you are a irregular user, that is rare user, that time only you will face such a problem. So when you got the wrong output. Wrong output means the letters and all not in a correct shape and correct position. Any blank places. Some places which is coming, some places which is coming, some places are not coming. In this situation, you have to print. You have to clean the print head. You have to clean the print head. At least you have to try 3 to 4 times. In the 3 to 4 time itself, surely you can get the output. If you are not getting within the 3 to 4 times, you have to go for power cleaning. So once again, I will repeat you. When you want try to power cleaning, you should maintain half tank of the ink, that all ink, that is black, yellow, cyan, magenta. You should have 4 inks half tank. That is very important, right? But when you are using power flushing, that is power cleaning, will consume more ink. You should be very careful. After consuming, you may get a error message. Ink pad error also you will get. How to solve the ink pad error? I have released one video in my P. Muruganandam channel. So go and see the method and solve that problem also. So I have given solution for that problem also. I have given solution for that problem also. That is ink pad issue. Don't worry also. Apply that method and successfully eradicate the problem. Successfully solve the problem. Okay. So when you got the wrong output, not correct output, please apply the method what I have specified in this video and enjoy the printout. So if you like this video, put like. Please subscribe my channel because every day I am releasing new video regarding printer service, laptop service and desktop service. Also, I have released more videos regarding laser cartridges refilling and ink cartridges like black and color cartridges refilling. So see that all videos and solve your purpose. So that only I am asking you to subscribe my channel because if you subscribe, you can get immediate updates or immediate intimations. Through that you can see my videos every day. You can update your knowledge. That knowledge may be helpful to solve your problems as well as your neighbor and friends and relatives' problem. So please share my videos. The corresponding printer, if any one of your friend is having, please share the videos to them. Let them enjoy. Let them share to their friends. Let it goes chain. See, if you have any new problem, but you do not find a solution anywhere else, please give in the comment. Through this comment, I can release new video that may be helpful to you to solve your problems. Thanking you. We will see in the next video, next solution. Have a nice day.